Be yourself, but always your better self. People begin to become successful the minute they decide to be. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you shall start having positive results. Falling down is an accident. Staying down is a choice. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. Tough time don't last, tough people do. If you can dream it, you can do it. Good things take time. Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. Success is not an activity but a process. Do not focus on the pain, focus on the progress. You do not always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go and see what's happen. It's going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Thanks for watching.